Hi everyone. Ngasi se 21st November ne Monday habadi work day budi oye de tarsu Rohan ga se kitang ganna chuti lo to around for 3:30 na cha 3:30 da chuti lo to ga we're going to go for dinner and then first we're going to go for a little bit of shopping and then we're going to go for dinner. Why? Because it's our first anniversary. So, this is first, before going to dinner, we're gonna go to Phoenix Market City. So Rohan gave me this ring from Caratlane. So we're gonna go to Caratlane again and get a new ring as my first anniversary present. Yay! And then we're gonna get like a platinum ring for Rohan. Nasi wak ring though, purchase the yellow Monday because I get ring size. It's around 7. Ready-made even for Rohan, I don't exactly remember his ring size, but we're gonna go and check design and we're gonna buy rings for each other. First anniversary present. I'll show you my outfit for our date tonight. See ya. But diamond ring, the 18 carat. Me and Rohan, we're ready to go. I was like, how many Phoenix Market City, Jewellery, and then we'll go for our dinner. Yeah, let's go. Hello, we are on our way. Lambi to Yodore, Phoenix Market City. Traffic is much better now, and almost here. I'll show you. Parking the city of Kanachinde, weekday or gonna so we're gonna go and look for Caratlane store. I know we'll give it upper ground floor to like Maleko. So we're gonna go ahead directly. Matamyam light. Punga mamogle nasi shopping doon na kayo naman. To learn. I clarify, I'm dito sa sponsored video na just ay na some shopping chatlo ba choice kan bagi experience to may am share to ning bagi wani. Caratlane gi quality se dum git hoba male. Ay gi ring do chahi mai mang gito pa rin to it's still going strong, just like new di high reba. And then magi price range to so it's around lakmari but then starts really affordable. 15,000 I'm not sure exact range to be. Anamana design say 18 karat gold oil ko any brand game with a diamond yaw with the 18 karat gold oil bene.
The design I will tell you. Different design, different time slot.
I get ring finger size 7 muk oil bene. I guess krutmana me yawaragadi yeng badum yani have the ring say how it looks in my hands. Middle fingers na size 10 mukoi. Mogi makal se loina maklay have the white gold, rose gold. Not na I know quite the palms of the 18 karat gold. Gold hanama chu with adubu aina handagi khanjarak pa khudo ki design makaklay phanyam thibane mogi shop se da manav bhawar phangadra na adu sigi se ne aina palms are design ju dina. Finally, order oina piram me product to yung halaga aduna sida igi loisle sina Rohan gi selection haure magi ring size thi.
What size is this?
14.
I think it's 12 from me. Yeah, this is fine. 13. Can
Rohan gi di platinum ring pa me na koi platinum ring yeng. Hey, that is nice.
This is nice, right?
That's very modern looking.
Yeah, but it's a little big size.
I think that we can fix.
We can get it done. Okay, the other one is better, right?
We order to me, my delivery though. hafta ani muk sang yai 14 to 20 days luk khai ko adu mathang nong la pick up tong ne hojik mall dang ha koiraga khoi dinner reservation matam yoraka na muk chala kan. So we are done with our shopping. Caratlane, we got a ring for each other. Platinum laure magina diamond laure. We're on our way to Ritz-Carlton now for our dinner date. I'm really excited. I'll see you there. Okay, this is very fancy. Let's go and park the car. I think they'll have like valet parking.
Yeah, here it is.
I think these are wine racks. They're so sweet. Rose managa thamaga anniversary decoration to mirror. Thank you for bringing me here. Outdoor seating. Gonna di uji. Right out there. Ado sina food menu ne. Aduga sina drinks menu ginawagta QR code scan tagda. I'm thinking of ordering the momo platter. What do you think? Non-vegetarian momo platter?
What?
Yeah, non-vegetarian momo platter. I think it's like.
Oh, you said non-vegetarian, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, non-vegetarian momo platter, and I'll order something pork
Sounds good.
for starters. Do you want to have rice?
Not really.
Okay. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. You want anything to drink? Can I order?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. How many pieces will this be?
5.
5? Okay. I'll take the non-vegetarian basket. Yeah. And this char siu pork with fragrant rice.
It's a main course.
Yeah. And this Sichuan pork with fragrant rice. These 3 items. Yeah.
So one non-vegetarian basket and one Sichuan pork and one char siu pork.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you have for drink or non-alcoholic?
Non-alcoholic, we have virgin mojito, iced tea. We can make virgin pina colada.
Or how
We
about,
have green apple based mocktail.
do you want sweet lime soda or something?
You can, I'll take something. I'll take a cocktail.
Okay. I'll take a sweet lime soda without ice, please.
Sorry.
Yeah. And for him?
These are cocktails, right?
Yes, it is.
What do this contain? I am not sure. Like, is it?
It's gin base. These two are gin base.
Okay.
This is vodka base.
Okay.
So this will be gin, lime and basil.
Okay.
And this will be with rose syrup as well. And this will be lychee, gin, and blood orange wine.
This one is vodka based, right?
These two are vodka.
I'll take this one.
So, what passion?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
This is crystal seafood.
Okay.
This is coriander chicken. Shall
Okay.
I serve you one more?
No. That's it. Thank you.
This is prawn halwa. This is chicken chumai. And this is chicken shanghai.
Thank you.
Thank you for food.
It's really good.
Yeah. I did. Dim sum ani do tiam thum lo chan gai sa la me degi. Sichuan, that is for him. Thank you.
This is one separate.
Okay. Looks so good.
Ah,
That is Sichuan pork more sado manda.
mandegis.
Rohan is so excited about his meal. Like he's in a char siu pork. Now we're gonna eat. I video number lepani because we want to eat in peace. Chabalore, bell kokre. Queen was mapan the pummy, the my interior, see manung the siam say. They are so cute. The restaurant gave us a cake because it's our anniversary. Did you plan this beforehand?
No, I did not.
I feel like you planned. anniversary with food. Hello. The ceilings are really high. So we're done with dinner and we're coming out of this really nice place. But as usual, I got the designated driver duty because I really like sweet lime soda, but Rohan loves cocktail. Kasi shopping sa Jewellery, dinner dates yam nungai. It was my first anniversary. I mean our first anniversary, and I really hope we have more amazing anniversaries in the future. See ya.